Hey everyone. Quick video on some more things I picked up at Ryobi Days today, Home Depot. Pressure washer nozzle, turbo nozzle. It's one of those ones that spins. Supposed to, up to 50% more cleaning power. Thought I'd give it a try. It was on sale. It was like 20 bucks. The pressure washer I have now is it's a Karcher with a Honda motor on it, and it's 3,000 psi. Plenty of pressure, but I just wanted to try it out. I've heard good things about them. Don't know, so I'll have to give a review on it once I try it. The other thing I picked up was the Ryobi 18V corner cat finish sander. 23% more compact, 11,000 orbits per minute, 3 sanding sheets included. And again, it's tool only. This was another 25-buck tool. Sanding sheets. It's kind of about the same size as the Black & Decker mouse sander. Some of you are probably familiar with that one. And it's just a filler. Instructions. Velcro backing on for the sander sheets. I don't think we really need a 6 amp hour. Go with one of the P102s on it, see what it's like. Tough to fit. It's a loud sucker. It's light. The handle does a nice job of dampening the vibrations. One thing I hate about these jitterbug sanders is they shake the hell out of your hands. Using them for 10 minutes and your hand is numb. This isn't bad at all. Vibrates plenty down there though. So there's that. God, this battery is going to be a bitch to get off. It was a bitch to get in. Okay, let's just forget about that battery for now. Let's pull that one off. The next thing I bought was the Ryobi 18V 3/8 inch ratchet. 35 foot-pounds of torque, 4-position rotating head. I have this ratchet and love it, but I was intrigued by this rotating head dealie. So let's open this up. Holy moly. If they'd used this much glue on the Titanic, it would still be sailing. Alright. Cardboard. Instructions, baggie. Don't think I'd want to use this as my only cordless ratchet, because it is fairly big and it's fairly heavy. Let's check out this. So apparently you pull this out to rotate. Oh, check that out. So it rotates quarter turn each way. I could see that being handy all sorts of ways. That's pretty cool. There's a trigger lock, so when you set it down it won't touch it. I don't know what the point of that is though, seeing as how it has this. There's no way you can really accidentally trigger that, but whatever. As a light. It's not too heavy with one of these batteries. Came with an extension. It's supposed to have a belt clip somewhere. I'll have to look through. Is it in the box? Paddle, LED lights, 4-position rotating head. Oh, maybe it doesn't have a belt clip. Just thought it did, not that I'd go clipping this to my belt or anything. That's pretty cool. Let's move you up a bit here. You can rotate that. Let's throw a socket on there and see. Have a a look-see at something right here. Just put an extension on it. Something I can grab onto. Can definitely stop it with my hand. But I don't use, it's not an impact, so I like it. It's pretty cool. It's not terribly heavy with the smaller battery, the P102. Stick one of these suckers on there, and that's a heavy beast. Wonder how much more torque it has. Let's try it with this little extension they gave me on it. Now I can still stop it just as easy. So there's not really a need for the bigger batteries on these. I'd use the smaller ones. It's one of the few tools I really only use these smaller batteries, the P102s, on say the radio, the fan, I don't know, the 1/4 inch impact driver, but they're perfect for this. Weight wise, it's really actually not that big of a difference. Size wise, you know, the body of the thing is slightly bigger than this, but obviously the base, look at the difference. These have just a little battery pack that pop in and out. I like it. That rotating head thing's really cool. Aside from Ryobi, I've never seen anyone else that does it. Oh, and I just noticed something else too. On the base itself, there's a place to put that extension. Oh God, bitch to get in and out. Don't know how useful that is. That's pretty cool. I like it. I definitely like it. So, next time I'm working on a car here, I'll try it out and let you guys know. 118 Canadian, that's what it cost. Don't know what the regular price is. I certainly wouldn't pay any more than that for it. But that is a sale price, being as it's Ryobi days here in Canada. I like it. It has a nice grip. The barrel of the body slims down, just perfect hand size. Again, it has a trigger lock for some reason. These warnings on here. Use only with battery packs listed in Operator's Manual or P108. Okay, so you probably shouldn't use that big heavy duty battery I used. Let's just see what the manual says battery wise. Power tool, safety warning, ratchet, safety warning, operations. Da, 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 da. Tool. Battery pack. Oh, so it works with... No, it's good with pretty much every battery that Ryobi makes. It works with the 102, 105, 107, 108, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 95, 197... This is a 193, so we're good with that. I mean, that's a 6 amp hour battery, so I don't think you need anything more than that to power a ratchet. So there you go. The Ryobi collection grows. I'm gonna have to do something with this. It's taken up the entire top of my toolbox here. Plus I have other stuff. I've got the Ryobi reciprocating saw, or sawzall as some people like to call them. Yeah, that's it. I'll have to get all my stuff together here one of these days for a family photo. All the Ryobi stuff. There. to go, ready to go. My little Black & Decker cordless screwdriver. It's cheap, but it's handy. Has a little light. I like it. Put that there, put there, and that's it. Yeah, cool stuff. So any questions? Again, just ask me down below. Any questions, comments, criticisms, whatever. Just type it down below and I'll answer you. Have a great day and take care. Thanks.